Now, our topic is time management. It is rightly said, time and tide wait for none. We should understand the value of time. There is no way to increase the time you have, but you can find ways to use your time better. People who waste time never succeed in life. Some people complain about the lack of time. They are always running late. Some other people are always on time or even early. They make sure others never have to wait for them. Successful people can get a lot more out of their day because they know the art of time management. Now the question arises, what is time management? Time management refers to managing time effectively so that the right time is allocated to the right activity. Or time management is the process of planning and exercising conscious control of time spent on specific activities, especially to increase effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity. Time management refers to making the best use of time as time is always limited. We should ask ourselves which activity is more important and how much time should be allocated to the same. Everyone has shortage of time as there are a large number of tasks to do and complete. Time management helps us to complete our tasks effectively on time and achieve our objectives. In time management, we set a deadline for completion of the task and reduce non essential tasks. Time management plays a very important role not only in organizations but also in our personal lives. Now we will understand what are the various time wasting culprits. First is poor planning, then, second is poorly run meetings, third is extended lunchtime or breaks. It may happen that our lunchtime is from 1 a.m., 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. But we can see in various government offices that many of the employees remain absent from their seat up to 1:45 or 2 p.m. So this type of extended lunchtime is the time wasting culprit. Then we often see that our email box is bombarded with various junk mails, and to attend that meals it is only wastage of time. Then not deciding or adhering to the priorities. It may happen that we have not decided our priority list or we are not adhering to that priority list. Then there are certain casual visitors who may visit your office and you may have to attend them, and it also results in wastage of your time. Then there are certain people who always adopt delaying tactics. They go on delaying one matter or the other. It results also in wastage of time. Then excessive use of social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. When we open Facebook or WhatsApp, we do not know when that the time is passing very quickly, and we remain on this social media platform for hours together. And it ultimately results into the wastage of time. We should decide how much time we should spend on the social media platforms. Then there are telephonic interruptions. Then disordered workplace is also a time wasting culprit. We may add that we have already uploaded a number of courses like online transactions, good communication skills, business studies, forms of business organizations, present tense, future tense, past tense, most common mistakes in English grammar, DBMS, information technology, letter writing skills, cybersecurity, and much more. You can look out for the same on our own website, YouTube, Google, Udemy, tutorial points, and many other sites. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.